Step 1. To begin, locate the drop set pin. It consists of a metal rod with a black attachment part. Pull the black attachment up to its maximum extent. This prepares the pin for insertion into the weight stack. Step 2. Now it's time to set up your weights. First, insert the main pin into the weight stack at your desired starting weight. For example, let's say you want to start with 2625 kg. Insert the pin at the 2625 kg mark. Then take the drop set pin and insert its black attachment into a lower weight in the stack. This will be your second lighter set. Step 3. Let's look at a typical drop set example. Your first set might be at 2625 kilograms, your second at 1625 kilos. This progressive decrease in weight allows you to continue your exercise as your muscles fatigue, maximizing your workout's effectiveness. Step 4. Here's where the magic happens. After completing your first set with the heavier weight, simply lower the weight stack all the way down. The pin at the 2625 kg mark will automatically pop out, dropping the weight to your second preset weight of 16.25 kgs. This allows you to immediately continue your set without manually changing the weight.